Hello students, welcome to our video tutorial on isometric projections problems. I hope you all remember last introduction part of unit number 4 isometric projections. We have seen definition and principle of isometric projection with the help of a cube, iso left plane, iso right plane, iso top plane. Then we discussed about the differences between isometric projection and isometric view. Isometric scale factor we determined. That's what the last conclusion of the introduction part. Isometric projections will be having a scale factor of 0.82 with its size and shape, whereas isometric view will take the original sizes, what called original sizes, and will help us to show the shape. That's what the conclusion part we did in first introduction part. Continuation with the problems. This is the first problem. Make a note of that. Draw an isometric projection of three subparts: a straight line of 50 mm, a square plane of 40 mm, a rectangle plane of 60 mm by 80 mm, both in horizontal vertical planes. Now here comes this condition, both in horizontal and vertical planes. As per principle of isometric projection, how many planes are there? As per principle of isometric projection cube, remember we took three faces: first, second and third. I hope you remember this. We had three faces. As per principle of isometric projection, we had three faces. This is iso left, iso right, iso top. Here I just remind angles here will be 30 degrees each. Right? With respect to this intersection, these are called isometric axes. These are called isometric lines parallel. Right? Isometric planes, iso left plane, iso right plane, iso top plane. Now, as per principle of isometric projection, we had three planes, but he is asking in the question both in horizontal and vertical planes. For example, now here vertical means like this. Right? Vertical we will have height. Right? In these three faces, where you can observe height, this is the height, vertical means these two planes belongs to vertical planes. We are supposed to draw our line, square or whatever the rectangle in vertical two planes, that is iso left plane and iso right plane. Horizontal plane means like this. This was rotated to, at this particular converting into a rhombus position, only one horizontal, that is iso top. Means I hope you understand. Here vertical planes are two vertical planes are there, those are iso left and iso right. Horizontal plane is nothing but only one, iso top. Right? Coming to the solutions. First one, straight line of 50 mm. Right? For this we are supposed to draw the original projection. Right? What will be the straight line? Right? Giving just numbering them as small ab, dimension of 50 mm for this A. Now think here, we have observed one more condition in the question is isometric projection. Right? Isometric projection means we are supposed to use the scale factor of 0.82. It's actually 0.816. Right? It is 0.82 approximately. That means whatever you are doing a drawing, they should be drawn with a scale factor of the original dimension. That is nothing but 50 into 0.82. Right? That will be approximately value of 41 mm. Now thing is that now we have to draw line with respect to isometric. Just simple, directly you can draw this. In this square with respect to this position, this is iso right line, iso left line, iso height line. Right? Nothing but see, horizontal, vertical. We have two vertical faces, but here with respect to that only one vertical line. In horizontal we have two lines, length and breadth. Length also we can draw line, breadth also we can draw line. You have to remember this. A line can be drawn in three ways with respect to horizontal 2, 1, 2. With respect to vertical 1. I am talking about only line. But here we have determined this with respect to planes. So here simple. First take a reference point, draw a line. From that, draw a line towards left side at an angle of 30 degrees. Horizontal plane, right? Now 30 degrees. Now it is actually with respect to B I have drawn left side because capital B, capital A, dimension 50. But we have to draw with 41 only. You have to draw dimension showing 41, but the dimension number itself should be 50. Use 41 mm to draw and show 50. Why? Because you're using the exact size, but whatever the thing we are showing is the original number, that is 50. Now same way, horizontal, one more reference point, just draw a keep line. Keep your protractor, take the reference, try to draw right side at a 30 degrees angle. With respect to A point I am drawing capital A, capital B, dimension. Originally it is 50, but we are supposed to draw only 41. Right? Horizontal, a line in horizontal has two, because with respect to horizontal plane I can draw this line and this line, two lines. Right? With respect to which plane it is? Horizontal plane. Now vertical it's only simple, a straight line. Vertical, draw a straight line vertically with respect to A, B. Whatever B, A, B, both will be same. Dimension 50, but we are supposed to draw 41. That is your answer for a straight line of 50 mm in isometric projection. Isometric projection I mentioned. When it is asked to draw a projection, you are supposed to use this factor 0.82. Right? We will get the answer. With that we have to draw the dimension, but you have to show the dimension as original number. That is AB 4150. Right? Both in horizontal plane and vertical plane. This is vertical. If you take the line, this is a vertical line, this is a vertical line, this is a vertical line, all are vertical. If you take horizontal with respect to length means this is this, two lines. Hope you all understand. Just simple. Take reference point, draw a small reference line, use the protractor, ISO left side 30 degrees, AB, ISO right side 30 degrees, vertical straight line. That is about a straight line of 50 mm. Right? Next we will proceed to the square plane. You all are supposed to draw them on a piece of paper and submit it for marks. Don't simply watch. Now second, B question solution, square of 40 mm, square plane. Now we are from lines to, we have moved to plane. Plane which are almost resemble to our this one. We have used a cube. Cube is nothing but 6 square planes. Now square plane, iso left, iso right, iso top. As it is, we will differentiate them, that's it. Same problem. Right? But here thing is that square plane projection, but we are having original dimension of 40, we have to reduce it with the scale factor of 0.82. Initially you are supposed to draw the original square. Just A, B, C, D, show the dimensions, original as 40. But when you are going for isometric projections, right, 40 into 0.82, it will be equal to 32.8 mm. Approximately you can take for 33. This number has to be used and you are supposed to draw a square plane isometric projections. Principle of isometric projections means a plane will have 3 faces or 3 sides, iso left side, iso right side, iso top side. But here in the question we are given both in horizontal and vertical planes. I said again, horizontal only will be 1 plane, iso top. Vertical planes will be 2, iso left and iso right. First we will go for iso top, horizontal plane. Horizontal plane means this one. Just take a reference point, draw a line, keep that point. Now you can use, this is for only just to help you to use your protractor, right? Take the protractor, reference here. Know how you will get these lines? 30 degrees, 30 degrees. From here, draw a 30 degrees towards left. From here, draw 30 degrees towards right. Right, now thing is that with respect to which, right, take the drafter or whatever the scale, draw parallel line from here to here, same. From here to here, parallel line. Parallel lines you are supposed to draw. Right, if you are having a drafter, after drawing 30 degrees, right, just keep it, align it, fix it, take here and draw the same. Right, now lose the drafter, keep it, fix it, align it, draw this. Now what dimension you are supposed to do? 33 mm, but we are supposed to show them as 40 mm. In brackets you can write 33 actually, isometric. With respect to A point we are doing so, A, B, C, D. With reference to which plane we have drawn this? Horizontal plane. Very simple. But when you are having draft, no, when you are not having drafter, just you are having protractor from here 30 degrees, right? 30 degrees. Now if you observe, now here with respect to this line, here this angle also will be 30 degrees. With the help of protractor also you can finish this, right? If you want to draw the parallel line, just keep the scale here, just move slightly such that it will come parallel. With the help of protractor you can do and complete this. This is horizontal plane with respect to. Horizontal plane we have only iso top plane, we just finished. Iso left and iso right belongs to vertical planes. Vertical plane simple, right? First take a reference point, draw a straight line for the help of your protractor. Now iso left only left side 30 degrees. With respect to B we are starting. Draw a straight line. Now draw a line here at an angle of 30 degrees. Now one more vertical line. Connect both of them. We will get iso left. 30 degrees of 33 mm line. Vertical straight line of 33 mm line. From here vertical straight line of 33 mm line. Now join this, we will finish. That is B. With respect to B we have done so here A, B, C, D. Iso left, no dimensions. What is this actually we are using? The quotient dimension of square is 40, but we are dealing with 33. Iso left, isometric projection of a square plane with respect to vertical plane. Vertical plane, iso left. Same way vertical plane, iso right. Draw a line, keep reference point. Draw a line of 30 degrees, vertical line of same 33 mm. Now from here also dimension vertical of 33 mm, close it. Now with respect to this point I am started towards right side, A, B, C, D. Dimension actually it is 40, but I have drawn 33 factor. Right, with respect to vertical planes, you just write here as with respect to vertical plane. With respect to vertical we have two nothing but iso left and iso right. Hope you all understand. See, it's a very simple. Draw the isometric projection of a square plane. Projection square plane 40 mm. Draw the original square ABCD. Give the dimension 40. As they asked with projection, multiplied with the factor of 0.82. So 32 point and approximately 33. Now they asked us to draw both in horizontal and vertical planes. With respect to principle of isometric projections, we have three sides of a cube, left, right and top. Right? As per that, horizontal will have only one plane, iso top plane. Vertical plane will have two planes, iso left plane and iso right plane. So we started iso horizontal plane, iso top with respect to this we have 30, 30 here. So 30 of at 30 degrees angle, 33 mm line. Right side 30 degrees angle, 33 mm line. After that, from here, with the help of protractor, you can draw one more 33. You will get like this. From here, right side, one more 30. Will get like this. You can close it. A, B, C, D. Finish. Isometric projection of a square plane of 40 mm in horizontal plane, that is isotop. Same way, vertical plane we have two, iso left, iso right. Vertical means, you remember, this is vertical, where will come only height. Height is nothing but straight line, vertical straight line at 90 degrees. So one 90 degrees, another 30 degrees. That is the blind mark. You can remember, vertical means 90 degrees, another 30 towards left side and towards right side, right? Whereas horizontal means both in 30 degrees, no vertical. Now here vertical 30, original dimension of 40, but we are supposed to draw of 33 mm, close it. From starting point 33, 40, close it. Think here with respect to points, so which side we are supposed to start with, which corner. Usually try to start with A corner for iso top, horizontal. For iso right, iso left, try to use the right side point such that A comes left side. For iso right, start with A so that B comes right side. Simple logic. Hope you all understand. See, you are supposed to draw it on a piece of paper. Don't leave it just by watching. That is about your second sub question in the first isometric projection of a square plane. Now we'll move to the third sub question, rectangle. Same but changing the dimensions. A rectangle of 60 by 80 mm, both horizontal and vertical. See, let me start with the drawing original dimension 60 by 80. Right? I am using as 60 length by breadth or breadth by length. Anything will do, but I am going 60 of what we call this breadth and 80 of length. Drawing original rectangle like this. A, B, C, D, this of 60, this of 80. 60 by 80 I am taking breadth by length. If you want, you can rotate it, you can draw like this vertically. No problem in that, because as it is not mentioned anything, I have taken this. Now isometric projection, I have to reduce these things, right, into scale factor, that is 60 into 0.82, 49.2 mm. Approximately I use 49 mm. Now 80 into 0.82, that is 65.6 mm. Approximately I am using 66 mm. Now coming to this, both in horizontal and vertical planes, right? As I said previously, for square we have drawn one iso top equal to horizontal. Now vertical planes we are using iso left and iso right. Like here we will start with respect to vertical planes. Vertical planes. Vertical planes means what? You can see here we have height and length. See, height you can use 60, length you can use 80. Simple, right? What I am doing is, with respect to one line, taking a point reference, right? I am doing first iso left. Iso left means this has to come towards left side. So B is my reference point. So from here, 30 degrees line of what length? 80. But for 80 we have to take 66 length. Now here height of 60, but we have to draw 49. Now from here again 49, close it. Here it will be A, B, C, D. Simple. Now we have to show the dimension. Just draw here. Original it is 80, but we have drawn 66. Height. Original it is 60, but we have drawn 49. ISO left, vertical planes, ISO left. Same way we have to draw ISO right. Take the reference point, draw a line, keep your protractor. Right side it should be first 30 degrees line. With respect to which point? As it has to be shown towards right side, I have to use the left corner. I am taking reference as A. Height. Again a height. Class, no problem. Closed. A, B, C, D. Now think here, you have to show the dimension. Length 80, but we have drawn off 66. Height 60, we have shown off 49. These are the two projections, isometric projection of a rectangular plane of 60 by 80 mm in vertical planes of ISO left and ISO right. Now same way we will draw for horizontal planes. Horizontal planes. See, horizontal plane, as I said, we have only one horizontal plane, ISO top, length and breadth. Right? Now if you take this length and breadth with respect to this point, I am taking this as breadth and I am taking this as length. That means 60 this side, 80 this side. So simple, you can draw this. Take the reference point. You know, 2 are 30 degrees. Right side 30 degrees, left side 30 degrees. Right? Now starting with A point, I am doing. Draw 30 degrees line of what length? 60. That dimension should be 49. Now here again 30 degrees line towards right side. 80 mm length. We are supposed to draw 66. Now here say 30, right? Try to draw a parallel line. Close it. A we started. B, C, D. Right? Now think dimension, you are supposed to show both. Here on the left side, actually it is 60, but we have drawn 49. Now here, it is 80, but we have drawn 66. For horizontal plane, ISO top, length and breadth. Think here, when you have to observe what it is. For previous, there are only 3 square. For square, we have drawn ISO top, ISO left and ISO right. Here also the same. ISO left, ISO right, vertical planes, horizontal plane, ISO top. But one thing which you can do extension of this answer is, in ISO top, we have used 60 by 80. If you observe here I have used length, here I have used breadth. A rectangle can be changed of its position. Means here I can use breadth and here I can use length. That means same thing, dimensions can be interchanged and it can be drawn. The same, it can also happen. That means a horizontal plane also will get 2 views with respect to interchanging the dimensions. That's it. So same simple. Now think here with respect to A, I have drawn, with respect to A, I have drawn 60 left side, 80 right side. Same way with respect to B, I am drawing. 80 will become left side, now height will become right side. Simple, nothing done. Same here, keep a point, reference, 30 degrees line, 30 degrees line. B point reference I have taken. B, C towards right, A towards here A, here C. But this C should be of 60, that means 49. A should be of 80, that is 66. Now close them. B, C, D, A. Dimension clear? BA. What is BA? 80. But you have drawn 66. BC. What is BC? Dimension BC? 60. But you have drawn 49. See, you observe the difference here. With respect to A, 60 is on the left side, 80 is on the right side. With respect to B, 80 is on the left side, 60 on the right side. See, whenever you are telling the dimensions, use the original numbers, 80, 60. But when you are drawing, but you have to show them as reduce the scale of 49, 66. This is the answer for your draw an isometric projection of a rectangular plane of 60 by 80 mm, both in horizontal and vertical planes. Right? Here for the first straight line, 2 vertical, 1 horizontal. Right? In the second square, 2 vertical, 1 horizontal. For rectangle, 2 vertical and 2 horizontals. Right? That's what the difference. Wherever the possibility is there for interchanging the dimensions, you can show this. That is about your first question. Right? You are all supposed to take a piece of paper, try to use pencil, scale, protractor, which are available at your home, and do practice. Right? Don't just listen and watch it and leave it. Right? You have to do the practice. That's what here important is. We'll continue next question in next video together. Thank you.